Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying out the ColourPop like little 4-pan palettes. I'm really excited. These look really cute. I have 2 here. I think they sent me 3 in total, but I put one in a giveaway. So I have sorbet and cream soda, and this is the little packaging of them here. They're really cute. And then these are the actual palettes. So the first one we have here is called cream soda. Like this. You can see it's obviously quite a neutral palette. And then we have sorbet, which is like a little bit darker. It has some more mauvey tones. So yeah, I just thought, you know, we could do a cute little eyeshadow look with these. So let's get into it. I'm just going to prime my eyes with the P. Louise base. I do have the world's worst headache today, so if I'm not as talkative as I normally am, that is why. I know you're probably like, well, why are you filming? Well, I don't have anything to post. No, honestly, I really want to film. I'm having like a nice time filming. It's just, my head is hurting. And I know you're probably like, take some Panadol. I have, okay? I've taken Panadol. I've had this headache since last night. I've had a sleep. I've had Panadol. I've done everything. So anyway, I've just primed my eyes. Yeah, I've just primed my eyes with the P. Louise base in Room 01, and now we're just going to get into the eyeshadow. I feel like these 2 colour combos aren't really going to like go with each other, but I mean, we'll try anyway. I'll take the cream soda palette first. This one's really, really nice. I'm going to take this like shade here. It's just like a brown. And we'll just put that like pretty much all over the eye, I guess. I'm going to work it mainly through the crease. Like I'll try and leave like a little bit of room up the top so we can blend it out, but I think these little 4-pan palettes, it's such a tongue twister, but yeah, I think the little the 4-pan palettes are a really good idea because they're very like easy, you know, you can take them on the go. They're obviously very travel friendly, and yeah, they're just really cute. I feel like sometimes as well, for people who, you know, just buy makeup to actually, you know, use makeup on the daily, I feel like sometimes having a palette with like 20 shades can be very overwhelming because it's like there's so much to choose from. But obviously if you just kind of want makeup, you know, for everyday use, to go to school or work or do your shopping or whatever, and you just want something simple, I feel like sometimes having less eyeshadows is good in a palette because like it kind of takes the, you know, you don't have to think up a look. You're not having a palette where you're wasting colours because you're never using them. You know, I feel like it's really practical for like everyday use to have these smaller palettes, and I think that's good because obviously the makeup community, I feel like a lot of the makeup that comes out, more so with like brands like ColourPop and things like that, you know, more of these kind of like younger, like more like modern makeup brands, I guess. I feel like a lot of the things that they come out with are obviously for like makeup collectors and stuff, which is awesome, don't get me wrong, but I feel like sometimes it's a little bit less practical for people that just want everyday makeup. So it's nice to see them coming out with some more kind of like what do you call it, like realistic, not realistic, like practical makeup, you know. I think that's nice because that way everyone can enjoy the brand, you know, even if you just buy makeup, yeah, you know, to, if you're the kind of person that has like one eyeshadow palette, just for everyday wear, like it's nice that now you can enjoy ColourPop as well. Like, not that you couldn't before, but you know what I mean. I'm rambling. Okay, I'm gonna go into the lighter shade now, just this one here. They do have shade names. The first one I used was called Soda Shop, and now we're using Milkshake, which is this one here. I'll just take that and like blend this. But yeah, anyway, I think these palettes are really cute. Obviously you're not going to get anything too groundbreaking, I feel like, because yeah, like it's a neutral palette and there's 4 shades, there's only so much you can do, but yeah, I feel like for the audience that they're going for with these, they've really like hit the nail on the head pretty much. So they've released more of them as well at the moment, actually. I think they released like 7 more or something, and I honestly don't really like the look of the new ones too much. They're like an ice cream kind of like themed thing, which is really cute, don't get me wrong, but they're just not my jam, I guess. I don't think they're on the website yet, unless I just can't see them. No, I don't think they're on the website. I guess they're launching in a couple of days. Oh no, they are. They are. Wait, are they? No. No, they're not, sorry. Okay, yeah, so I'm guessing they're launching, you know, in a couple of days, but I did just see them on like Trend Mood and stuff. But yeah, it's like an ice cream kind of themed release, I guess, but they're just, I don't think any of the colour stories really appeal to me, but they do look really cute. So I don't know if we should try and like, I might even take this shade. I don't know how it's gonna work because it's cool tone, but we're gonna just risk it. This is out of the Sorbet palette, and this is the shade Extra Syrup, this one here. I don't know if I'm making a mistake. It's a cool tone and a warm tone, but who cares, we're doing it. I'm just gonna put that like on the outer corner and just run it through the crease as well a little bit. It kind of looks like a bruise, but oh well. They're blending into each other quite nicely, which is nice. Whew, I tell you what, I can't wait to have a nap after this because my head, it's just so annoying. And like, obviously, like this is okay because I'm not looking at the computer screen, but obviously like while I'm awake, obviously a lot of the things I'm doing is like editing YouTube videos or watching YouTube or like on my phone watching TikToks, and I feel like it's so bad because when my head is hurting, like like screens are just the death of me. And I wear my blue light glasses all the time, like when I'm at work, when I'm at home, even like playing, you know, Animal Crossing on my Switch or anything like that. When I'm editing my YouTube videos, I always wear my blue light glasses, but today they just cannot save me. They do help an insane amount. I've noticed such a difference since getting my blue light glasses. I really highly recommend it if you do any sort of computer work or even just on your phone and stuff. Like blue light glasses, I have noticed such a difference. Like I don't think I'd survive work anymore because I'm a receptionist, so it's like 9 hours of just looking at a computer screen, you know, like but my blue light glasses have been amazing, so I've noticed a huge difference. But today they just cannot save me because my headache's already there, if you know what I mean. Like you guys, I'm sure you guys know how it is, but okay, I think this actually looks really cute. I'm gonna take a bit of the darker shade out of the Sorbet one, which is called Drizzled. Just gonna take a tiny amount of that and just really darken this up. I guess we're going kind of smoky. I actually kind of like how that looks. I think it looks really nice. Alright, I'm going to take everything off my brush. I know you guys are looking at this like, what have you done? Give me a second, okay? The shimmers in these palettes look really beautiful as well. I'm really excited to try some of them. Alright, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to cut a crease and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut my creases now and I'm going to go in. I think I'll take like this pink shade. It's called Scooped, I think. Yeah. And I'll put that like on like most of the lid, and then I'll put like another shade like right near the inner corner. Okay, so we'll do that now. I really don't know how I'm gonna get through the rest of my makeup, guys. It's really pretty. I was actually expecting it to be a little bit darker, like have more of that pink colour, but it's quite light. Alright, and then I'll take the other shade from this palette, and it's called Glazy. I just put that in the corner. See, I feel like they kind of look like the same shade, which is weird. But anyway, then I'll just take whatever's left on this brush and just blend so we don't have any harsh lines. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera and do some lashes, film my other video. I'm trying out some XX Revolution products, and then I'll come back and show you the finished look. Okay, so here is the finished look. If you want to see what I used for my face, I tried out some XX Revolution products, so that video should be up probably after this one. Yeah, I really like how everything turned out, but yeah, go watch that video if you're interested. I also added a little bit of the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in raindrops under my eye, but I'll zoom in and show you the finished eye look. I think they look really, really pretty. I'm really impressed with these palettes. I honestly love ColourPop eyeshadows, and these ones are no exception. You know, I think they're really cute and like such a good idea. As I said, they're very practical and super cute for on the go. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.